Good morning to all. Myself, Pipu Nikoti from EC Department in Savitha Engineering College.
I'm Roshni from AC Department from Savitha Engineering College.
I am Ritik from Savitha Engineering College, EC Department.
And I am Saranar from Savitha Engineering College.
I am Marty, EC Department, Savitha Engineering College.
My name is Radhakrishnan from Savitha Engineering College.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss about COVID-19. As you know, in nowadays we are suffering from in this pandemic situation. All the countries should maintain a transparent with the other countries, especially in this kind of virus situation, and needs to share important information as soon as possible. Had China altered the world about this situation immediately after knowing about the virus, all other countries would have taken precautions much earlier, and the virus could be contained in one place. Yes. Friends, you will
Yes.
accept this?
I agree with Punya Koti because even though
reduce
coronavirus does not
the
seem to
spread.
be a biological weapon, the threat of bioweapons is real. Am I right?
Lockdown to reduce the spread or coronavirus, clear the skies, and reduce the pollution to a drastic extent. This made us realize that whatever damage we are doing the environment can be reversible. It made us focus more on sustainable development.
The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or use alcohol based on rub frequently and not touching your face.
The fight against COVID-19 taught us to be better prepared for the future, everyone. Understand that there is a need for more funding, equipment, and human resources in the healthcare industry.
Yes, I will agree with you all. In this pandemic situation, we have to take all the precautions and stay at home, stay happy. Thank you.
It also has that vulnerable people like migrant workers will be most affected by this kind of situations. This best thought to take immediate steps to protect vulnerable people.
The demand for laxy good feel the great extent. COVID-19 is confusing culture, baby. This face lots of that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I am Marty.